I can't sleep at night knowing where they are. Aha, there's a sheep. Police have been because somebody has filmed or recorded all the bad stuff on my YouTube. Like, we all have to do things we don't want to do in life, so don't like Dent.
I got crutches. I twisted my leg.
Oh my. So taking his mud guards off. He must be butt raking today. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video of Sam Shutt Farming Everyday Life on the Hill Farm. And today, well this morning, I am getting my drone up. Oh, people are asking about drones. I have a DJI Mini 4 Pro, which looks like this. Very light, I think it says on it, does it? 249 grams. Anything above that you need a license, so. Got my controller, it's got a screen on it, that's the best thing ever. It's not worse than putting your phone on it and all that jazz. So if you want one, get one with the screen. I know it's a bit more, but it's worth it. I get 3 batteries. Every battery does half an hour fly time, sort of. I am going to look for these sheep. I can't sleep at night knowing where they are. It's not like someone to steal them, surely, because they'll need a dog, they'll need a trailer, they'll need somewhere to gather them into. It's a moor, it's a fell, it's an open common. It's like, it's gonna be hard. So I feel like someone can't have stolen them unless they're a farmer, if you know what I mean, or a shepherd or whatever. But yeah, we have been up twice. First lot never came in, second lot even more didn't come in, so they're getting out somewhere. They have been right round the boundaries everywhere, looked over, couldn't see anything. So I'm going with my drone down the road. I'm going to fly it over and see if I can spot any sheep, and if I do I'll zoom in to see if there are. Before anybody records it and sends it to the police that I'm breaking the law, going onto other people's property, flying it, I'm scanning over. I'm not like investigating what's down there, I'm just looking for sheep, okay? Police have been because somebody has filmed or recorded all the bad stuff on my YouTube, like kids on tractors. But they've been in the field, so they haven't really done anything about it. They weren't that, you know. But we've had a police visit, and this guy, I think I know him, has got a folder full of all of things that I've done wrong. Can't name and shame, because can't yet. I will do if he puts a foot wrong and I have proof. But until then, yeah, I'm just letting you know, I'm looking for our sheep. My drone will cover more ground than a quad bike will, so we're just scanning, that's all. Flying across and scanning to see if I can see any. And if I can see them, then at least we know where they are. It's peace of mind, it's a lot of money at stake, and it's our livelihood. So I'm going to do that, so let's go and have a look. No. That looks like ragwort. I thought that was poisonous. Let's see if I can see any more sheep. They're obviously not ours. They had 2 red lines or 2 red marks on them. We're black and red. So, nice view, isn't it? There's a nice pond there. I could dip in that right now. Aha! There's a sheep. Oh, maybe not. Could they be down in the wood, but my signal's bad. If it cuts out now, then I'm walking for it. On that note, folks, I haven't found them. Don't know where they are. Still don't know where they are. Oh dear. Itchy boob syndrome. Sorry. Might not put that in. So I have been right across, all the way up there. Right across, right to the edge. And I can't find them, but I was just going vaguely, wasn't I? I will charge the batteries and try again. Might try and get a bit closer. Or go to the other side of the fell and start on that side, because I scanned this side and couldn't see our sheep anyway. There's a few of someone else's but not ours. So now I have to go and get the wrapper on the Vulture, the wrapper on the Zeta, and go and wrap some bales for the neighbour. And then he's finished for the year. That's it now, I think. Same as us, we're finished. We've got a second cut at Tosca to do. We've got a second cut at land we rent. Apart from that, we're done at home. Oliver's gone carting grass today. It is a Sunday. Before I forget, it's a Sunday. Kids are at mum's this weekend. She took them out for the day yesterday, so that's nice. So anyway, we'll go and do our jobs, and then hopefully I'll get back one day or later to have a look on the other side. Nearly done now. I am wrapping at my destination. Peter got the wrapper on ready for me, which is handy. Because he'd already dosed the lambs. So yeah, about 2 left and I'm finished. Finished for the night, I hope. Oliver's pestering me to go and row up and at Robert Mason's, and I can't. I'm just that bad at it. And he likes it right and I can't do it right, so I'm trying to get out of that one and have a relaxing night at home without him. Not that I enjoy it without him, but a relaxing night, not a busy night. Oh yes, you've guessed it. Better change gear actually. It's quite steep. Just going down the coal road. I have the rake on. Oliver Rung said I need to go and row up. So there's no relaxing YouTube night for me tonight. No. Oh, it's about 6:30. I'm on the way to Dent, row up for Robert Mason. Because I'm not here tomorrow, so he's making me do it tonight. The joys. And I hate doing it because I'm just rubbish at it. For someone else, I'm just rubbish. But I'm gonna do it. We all have to do things we don't want to do in life, so this is what I worry about. I'm sure he doesn't mind. To be honest, I think Oliver's bailing it this time, so my rows shouldn't matter for him. He's that used to my bad rows. But anything goes. So that's made me feel better. Just been through, well, past the Dragon pub at Dent. Can't really see. Heading on up to Roberts, who's at Deepdale. Yeah. Oh, this looks fun. So I am at my destination. Where's that bar gone? You see that bar? That tells me how far, but that bar's come off. Oh dear, I don't think that was me. Anyway, I'm here. This is the first field, so I'll get cracking. Heck, this is good stuff. One thing Robert, well, he's good at everything, but he can make hay. Yeah, him and Peter can make hay. Good stuff. Pleasure to do. Looks like I'm going on up. That's what I'm doing. Woohoo. I'm actually really enjoying this field. I'm really enjoying it. Where's Robert gone? Oh. He's looking after me. He's helping me back in and back out and all that. It's quite narrow. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Hey, I'm getting better every year. I've no need to worry now. That's the bit I did before. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. Very steep, but it's a very nice field. There we go. Good old Robert's waiting for me at the bottom, deeing me out. I remembered someone on my comments saying to leave my PTO in. That way, if I do catch something, it should go with it. Yeah, it'll turn it. Yeah, so I've done that. Very narrow, very narrow. I do fill the road like. Good luck if you meet me. Let's hope you can back. Well, I can, but I'd test you first and then I'd back. Don't like dent. Just got in. It's about, what is it? Oh, 9:45, so it's not too bad. Didn't get all the fields finished, so they're going to have to work something out tomorrow. Anyway, I tried my best. Nancy's flowers, she picked me. Oh, cute. I am missing them. Mum's got them for the weekend. Every other weekend she has them. And it's worked out well because I was needed, so. Right, I'll catch you in the morning, guys. So I am rowing up Dent. This is our second cut grass. Oliver's baling. They're the bales that from Peter's land that he took on. So we're going to wrap them and just making sure I don't get that wall. You can tell by the colour they're really good. Really nice dry stuff. So I'm into the next section now. Let's as wide as possible and then I'll just pull it in a touch. About there. Just this bit to do. Then we're done. Done that bit over there. Wrapper's there ready. Peter's love shack. Right, let's crack on. Hi guys! No, don't chuck stones! Can't see him now. Isn't Mabel a good one? Yeah, she's a good one.
Is that Mum?
It's off a hoodie, I think. We're just sitting waiting for...
Here you go, Shushi.
What are you looking for, Jim?
Shushi.
What's your head? He's decided to climb up the baler, see what's happening. Yeah?
I can see scratch. Oh my god.
Yeah. Hi, Shewa. Yeah, Daddy's just wrapping some bales and then in here, and then I can wrap them in there. Yeah. Hi, Shewa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the camera. You waving? Ba 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 ba. Oh, you gone for a bicky, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, hobnob. You like hobnobs. Hi. Say hi. You're a good girl. Say dada. Da da da. Bye bye. So we are wrapping now. Thank you, darling, for that egg. It's very kind of you. Yeah, wrapping away, wrapping away. Just what I've rowed.
Stop kicking me away. I'm your sister. There's a piece of metal there. Don't want Sheila stepping in it. Do that, look.
There we go, we have finitoed. Oliver is bringing the rake home. I've got the wrapper on. Yeah, job's a good one. So we haven't got belts on just because we're in the field at the moment. Once we get onto the road we are putting belts on. Don't worry. Sit back, where's Sheila? Sheila! Oh, who's in that cut? Oh, Lily. Yeah, second cut, that's it. I don't know how many bales, I'll have to count up, but Peter's still to wrap his hay. Really good hay as well. So that's, yeah. Just carting them back from where he baled it at. So yeah, we'll see what they're on with now. And then we're off home. Done, job done. So we're home. I'm just putting the rubbish on to the recycling pile like so. Hop. There we go, it's recycling. 96 bales, an extra 96 bales today. So that is brilliant. So I think we should be at around 1,000 bales now with all the bales we've done. So yeah, could do with a few more really, because we used 1,200 bales last year, but with more cattle, with more stock on this year. So we'll need at least 200 bales off Tosca, the land we rent. We're second cutting it at some point, but we need at least 200 bales off there, if we can.
Can I show them? Wait, hold this. Wait. Hold this. I want to show them. What? Hold this. I want to show them. No, hold that there. I got crutches. I twisted my leg. Just my ankle. Yeah? So, no. Should I tell YouTube? Okay, guys. I have something to tell you. What? My ankle.
Look.
Didn't I? She's a deep sleeper because we're making.
She's sleeping, and she's sleeping in a racket.
Look what Gran gave me. Didn't I twist my ankle? It's like a crystal.
Have you had a good day, guys?
Yes, a really good one. Yesterday, my signature move.
We missed it.
I think I got some hurt.
Do it again.
What?
Do it again.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Tree! And then fall on the floor, but I don't want to fall
Okay.
on the floor.
All right. Right. Come on. Jam is on bedtime. It is actually 7:15, so we're 15 minutes late for bed. If you are wondering about the buggy, the part hasn't landed yet. Still, it's supposed to be next day delivery, but it's been a week now. We got a tyre fixed, tyres back on, so it is okay, but not to drive. We need that arm. Other than that, it should be okay. We need a steering rack, but we haven't quite got that yet. We will when we have the funds to do so. Before you turn it off, here's what's coming up in the next video, just to keep you keen and wanting more. So here is what's coming up in the next video.
Little liar! Just go steady with it, alright?
Making sure the drawbar doesn't drop off, lasses.
All right. Oh my. Just once and on and off. Oh, thank. Oh. There we go. I will love and leave you, and I'll catch you for the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye.